How to block and report someone on Vinted. Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can block and report someone on Vinted. Vinted gives you the chance to block and report someone, alright? So just ensure you watch this video to the end so that you can learn how to do so. The first thing is to log in into your Vinted account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the Vinted homepage, you can see the Vinted logo by the top left corner. You can see the search box, and by the time you scroll down, you'll see other options as well. You can see some items as label and some don't. All right. So as you can see this, for you to block and report, all you need to do is to select the product whose seller you would want to block and report. So after selecting the products, you'll be taken to the products page where you see details about the product. Once you can see this, move to the left side of the screen and then you scroll down. You can see the option message seller, and then you can also see the person's username. Once you see it, just click on it. After clicking on the person's username, you'll be taken to the page where you can you take it to the page where you see details about the person. All right. Once you're on the person's profiles page and you can see the username and the picture, the next thing to do is move to the right side of the screen where you can see message, follow, and more options. Once you can see more options, just click on that. And then once you click on the more option button, you can see two options. You can see report, you can see block. So to report the person, just click on the report option here, and then you wait for the page to load again. Once it has loaded, you can see the option select the reason. So you have to select the reason you want to block the person. Go ahead, select the reason, follow the prompt, and from there you'll be able to block report the person. Then the second way, which is to block, is to go back to the person's username. All right, that is the person's page, person's profiles page. Okay, so just wait for it to load. So once you're on the person's page, just go back to the option button, click on block, and then it will ask you would see the things that you're missing out on if you block the person. If you still want to block the person, click on block member, and it just like that the person will be blocked. This is how you can block and report someone on Vinted. Thanks for watching and have a good day.